Alright, this is the Briggs & Stratton 6.0 on a snapper lawnmower. I'm going to show you how to change the carb out real fast. First thing you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this right here. I've already done that. And that exposes your air filter. And so you can take that out. Okay, next looks like you're going to have 3 screws right here to take off. Your carb's right there. I'm not sure if I'll take this one off and that one off yet. We'll kind of play it by ear. I'm presuming we will. So let me go ahead. I'm going to loosen those up. Alright, so I took these screws out. I ended up having to take one off right here and this front one right here. You can see it's loose now, but this cable's in the way. What you're going to want to do is undo it right here. So I'm going to need both hands in order to get that piece out. Alright, so I got this piece off. It was right there. Remember, it's this little one. And this just comes right off. Now your carburetor is exposed. Okay, next to get this off, you're gonna have a clamp right here. You're gonna have to loosen. That's your fuel line. And then you're gonna have a bolt right there. And one right there. You have to take both those off. And then it should pop off. Let me go ahead and do that real fast. Alright, so I pinched this off. Now I'm gonna wiggle this until it pops off. Remember, this is your fuel line. So you probably have some, if you have gas in there, it's going to come out. Just put it to a higher elevation than what the gas tank is or what the level of gas is. It'll hold it. If not, you can put a screw in there, which is what I'll probably do. That way you're not spilling gas all over the place. Alright, so I undid that and I ended up just putting it up here out of the way. Then I unscrewed there and there. So now your carburetor should be loose. Piece right here it's connected to. Not sure what that is. I might have to undo this screw to get it off there. Let me do that real fast. Alright, so I undid that screw and then it kind of popped loose. Now that I'm pulling it, there's one more linkage I think I'm going to take care of. That one right there, you can see this little metal piece, this loop. You get that off the carburetor. It'll be just like that other piece with the little hook right here. So you're going to do the same thing to get that one off. We do that real. Okay, now that I got the carburetor off, it's got a little bit of gas in it, you can see. There's going to be a bolt right here that you're going to take off, and then that'll open up to your float. Okay, so I undid the screw on the top. So you pull this out. You can take this off. That's actually pretty clean, which means there's probably a jet or something that is dirty in there. Here you have a little pin. You can see it shifts back and forth pretty easy. That controls your float. Make sure not to lose that. A lot of times when I do it, I take it and I just put it in the float or in the bowl if it's not dirty. And you pull this out, and underneath here you can see there's a little pin. Make sure not to lose that as well. And then I don't see, it's pretty clean. I'm just going to shoot some carb cleaner all over in it. See if that works. If it doesn't work, then I'll just replace it. You get them pretty cheap off Amazon. So let me go ahead and spray it out real fast.